chop. Complete right now. Still ready for dish. Breakfast ready. Yes, sir. Dishing time right now. It's a good look. Kidney land. Ready for yam. Sugar. Alright viewers, this morning kidney on the menu. Now you have a green banana also, so you know it's iron and blood, right? Yeah, right, yes sir. So as you can see, kidney and green banana for breakfast. Fire also catch already, so set on the pot for banana right now. No hesitation, no delay. Alright viewers, after cutting up the kidney, seasoning to it now. You could brown into the kidney also. All seasoning adding slowly but surely. As you can see, banana cook viewers. Time for the kidney. That's the pot for the kidney right there. Cooking oil in a pot viewers, see that? Pot hot. Kidney did complete, ready for the pot also. Shovel out here, I'll burn out. Oh, it's steamy. See that? Alright, that's how the kidney come, man. Just have to add to it like warm water. That's water and warm, tough it go tough it now. Alright, there's some trouble out here, you know. Add in some ketchup. Complete right now still. Ready for dish. Breakfast ready. Yes sir. Dishing time right now. It's a good look. Kidney land. Ready for yam. Trouble. Complete. Ready for dish. Right there. From there to there. Time to share banana. Then share kidney. The kidney. Banana. Kidney. Banana in the plate. Time for the kidney. Yes sir. Trouble out here. Swear that. Iron and blood in the morning. Kidney with the blood, banana with the iron. Starting off the day the healthy way. Why not? Take care of yourself. That more still remaining in our pot, you know. So you know the time. Breakfast complete. Ready for eat, you know. Yes, viewers. Alright, that's all. Trouble.